What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you real quick how white belts tie their belts. Very high. They put their belts very high, usually in the middle of their belly, and they have no clue how to tie their belts. Right? It's wrong. No, buddy, it's not nice. Nope. Here we go. Don't put it up there. Put it around your waist, right there. Not here, right there. Yes, sir. Now the top part, you go underneath. The top part go underneath, and it's gonna be on top again. You go on top, go over and under. That's how you tie your belt. Here we go.